जी यहाँ से डाल बस।
Okay, one, it's done.
चलो जी स्टार्ट
जी यहाँ पर लेफ्ट, यहाँ पर।
सोनम मैम सेंटर, मैम राइट साइड,
जी लेफ्ट, लेफ्ट।
मैम सेंटर में
राइट में,
मैम राइट यो
राइट। मैम यहाँ पर एक बार।
सेंटर में राइट साइड सोनम जी सेंटर में देखिए सेंटर से हाँ
Thank you.
वेट।
राइट साइड
सोनम जी वेट।
राइट वीडियो के लिए राइट
थैंक यू।
Bye.
मतीनों पर।
हाँ
मतीनों पर आपसे मिलकर
हाँ जी
बिलाल जान very very good evening to you.
Thank you so much.
And you looking towering and very powerful and
Thank you.
very vibrant.
Thank you.
आपको पूछना पड़ेगा आपके लुक के बारे में
Vani
Celia है
who's
Celia
Celia. There's a designer called Celia. It's a Greek designer called Celia.
शायद इसीलिए आपको स्टाइलिश आइकन के लिए सम्मानित किया जा रहा
Is
है।
it? वो मुझे पता नहीं है, मुझे पता भी नहीं मुझे क्या मिल रहा है.
But when the awards and the recognition is bestowed upon you, what it means to you?
आई थिंक कोई भी हमें जो भी रिकग्निशन मिले वो इट्स वेरी वैलिडेटिंग और अच्छा लगता है. और हम यहाँ आए हैं बिकॉज वी हैव रिलेशनशिप्स विद द मैगजीन एंड द एडिटर और हमें बुलाया गया है और थोड़ा टाइम स्पेयर कर सकते हैं. मैं बॉम्बे वापस डबिंग के लिए आई हूँ मेरी फिल्म के लिए. सो आई वाज हियर.
काफी दिनों से आप बाहर थी, कैसा रहा और किस फिल्म के बारे में अगर आप बताना चाहें?
जोया फैक्टर है मेरी फिल्म जो जून में रिलीज़ हो रही है. सो आई कम फॉर दैट डबिंग और आई लिव हाफ द टाइम इन लंदन एंड हाफ द टाइम इन इंडिया. दैट्स व्हाई.
And सोनम हम आपसे मिल नहीं पाएंगे अगर आप क्योंकि आप एक सिटीजन एंड यू हैव ऑलवेज बीन स्ट्रांग इन योर वर्क. वुड यू लाइक टू एनकरेज द यूथ एंड एवरीवन टू कास्ट योर मैंडेट एज द डेट ऑफ द present day votes come in?
Yeah, of course. I completely believe that voting is a right that and it's a freedom that you need to kind of. It was a hard-won freedom to have an opinion on who should come into power and who should be governing us. And I think we have to exercise that right, and it's very very important for the youth of India and all Indians to exercise that right and make their stand clear. Thank you so much.
सोनम जी एक फोटो ले आपके साथ ये बाहर से आया
बाहर से सब लोग आए हम भी बाहर से आए
थैंक यू
ये क्या है इधर सर पे?
मैडम सेंटर में देखिए यहाँ पे राइट साइड ना जी सामने
मैम ऑन योर राइट साइड
Left side here.
सामने एकदम सामने
एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट वेट दादाजी वीडियो के लिए लेफ्ट टू राइट अब ऊपर
टोटल राइट में
Thank you. Hi. Hi. Hi, good evening. How are you?
Firstly, let me tell you, you are looking very pretty.
Thank you so much. Thank you. And thank you guys for always supporting the crazy looks that I do. So it means a lot. Thanks.
मतलब इसका भी एक हॉल ऑफ फेम बन सकता है
Thank you. अभी आपने बोल दिया मतलब बन ही जाएगा.
नहीं आप अगर इसको एक कोलाज बनाए सुनते तो पहले क्वेश्चन सुनेंगे तभी तो फिर
Of course, हाँ.
आप मुझे सुनिएगा फिर उधर देखिएगा और
Done.
पूछो प्रॉब्लम
आप बिल्कुल प्रोफेसर जैसे डांटते हो. मस्त.
Yes, we.
हाँ, tell me.
But there is a special thought which goes on for this.
क्या यार तुम लोग
अरे यार शांत रहो थोड़ा सा. Right? There is a special thought which goes on when you plan your look and everything.
Of course, it would be a lie to say that there's no special thought that goes on. Of course, there is a special thought, but क्योंकि हम लोग रेड कार्पेट्स पे ही कर सकते हैं ये सब. In my movies, I can't be like हम लोग कमांडो शूट कर रहे हैं, I can't be like मुझे नथ पहनना है, तो डायरेक्टर मुझे अलाउ नहीं करेंगे. But on a red carpet, I think I can put out my style there. I have an awesome stylist, Juhi, who's here. So yeah, we sit together and we think of something nice. I also have, you guys support me. You all always write nice stuff about me, say nice stuff about the way I look. So I feel more encouraged to do crazy stuff all the time. So yeah.
What does fame means to you?
Fame means, I think after all of it, after either getting an award or shooting for your film, when you go back home and you sleep and you feel happy about what you've done. So that's fame to me.
Well said, very smart answer.
Thank you.
And before
Thank
you
you.
go, would you like to encourage people as the voting day comes to near to us, and it's an important right as a citizen.
It is.
तो आप अगर कुछ कहना चाहें, look center करें.
I would because बहुत ही easy है to tell somebody to crib actually. जैसे आप social media पे जाते हो and you crib and you say I don't like the roads, I don't like या potholes है और I don't like the way my country is headed to. But it's in our hands. I mean, we are the guys who are voting for it. So you can choose. You can choose the person who's going to run your country. You can choose the person. It's in your hands. You have the power. So choose wisely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
मैडम राइट साइड
That's some mics. Hi.
ओके शर्मा व्हाट आर यू एक्सपेक्टिंग
Nice to see you again.
लुक सेंटर एंड
Just expecting a lot of glitz, glam, and some really cool awards. Yeah.
Okay, so are you getting any award or you are presenting?
Tonight I'm not getting any award, but yeah, I'm here to celebrate everybody's awards.
Tell us about your new project. We saw like a few glimpses of it on Instagram.
Yes, I'm doing a film called Bypass Road with Nitin Mukesh. It's his first home production, and his brother Naman is directing it. It's a really, really cool project and something very, very different than what I've done before. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
What kind of character are you doing?
I'm not allowed to say that. It's a surprise.
So besides that, you are working with Nitin Mukesh. So are you excited for that?
Yes, very excited. Neil is a fabulous actor, and he's very intelligent. He knows about everything, when he's working. So it's very inspiring to work with him, actually. I look up to going on a shoot and learning so many things from him because he knows so much about every field. Yeah, it's fantastic.
Although you said that you are not going to tell us about your character, but at least you can tell us that what kind of story it would be.
You see, I think Neil's going to kill me if I do that, like right away. Gone. We will speak about it when the time comes, of course. All I can say is I'm very excited. I don't know if I'm okay to say that, but I'm the most important thing in the film, so yeah.
Tell us about the outfit.
Huh?
Tell us about your outfit.
My outfit, I'm wearing myself today. I thought I think their theme is white, so this is the closest to white I could get.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.